But the truth is, there's a lot of stuff building up all throughout the inside of your dishwasher. It gets real gunky. So, gunky. Gunky, that's a technical term. Hey guys, well, we're back in the kitchen this week for a brand new video. And what I want to talk to you about today is the state of your dishwasher. You'd think it would stay really clean since you're always running dishwasher soap through it. But I have to tell you that there is stuff building up all on the inside of your dishwasher. So I'm going to show you today how easy it is to clean all that out. And here's all you need to clean out your dishwasher. You need a big jug of white distilled vinegar. It's super cheap. You can get it at a home improvement store or a grocery store. I usually get mine at like a Costco because you can get really big jugs of it. You know, it's real useful throughout the whole house. And you're going to need a dishwasher safe bowl that can hold about 3 quarts. I have a big Pyrex dish that I use. Now I suggest you do this at least once a year, but if you use your dishwasher a lot, you're gonna need to do it probably quarterly. And keep in mind that depending on how dirty your dishwasher is to start with, you might have to do this whole process more than once. So that's all you need. Let's get started.